So,
That's definitely different. Hell yeah.
what?
The store. Oh
Hey,
my god, there's different cameras and they're different prices now.
oh, then that it's like 250.
Nope. Oh my god, there's landlines, diffuse kits, flashlights, walkie-talkies,
Whoa, what the fuck?
first aid kits finally. Press card. Oh, we can buy extra
Oh,
lives. I
I
think the
gotta
press cards are our
turn down
lives
the
now.
sensitivity.
Yeah, I've also been thinking about that, but I thought it was just me, so thankfully it's not something like that.
Cause
It's
that is rough. Oh my god, the store is so $6,000.
yeah. It's got 4x zoom, 20 photos, no flash.
So the cheapest one is $0.
Hmm. And then after that goes 2,500, and then 1,800, and then 4,600, and then 6,000.
There's a 250 one. How do you get a flashlight already?
It's in our stuff.
Wait,
You're
where's
just
our
buying
stuff?
more. That's where the shop, where our stuff always has been. That didn't move.
Oh, don't forget it.
Gallery looks the same. Let's step outside. This looks the same too. Old habits die hard. What can I say?
Okay. You've never failed this before, right?
So we need to get 1,500 views today.
We can do that. You can do.
Yeah, it's easy money. Why did I have a feeling you were going to choose the buff black dude?
No reason.
Oh, it tells you if you have duplicates. Look. Bottom left.
Oh my god.
It's actually sick. I'm a fan of this rework so far.
Pay attention for super big, my friend.
It's only one skull. I think we'll be okay. I didn't even do custom roles because I wanted to see the new updated experience for what it is.
Oh.
Use W. Oh my god.
Oh. There, we got 2 duplicates.
Yeah, it's because I took 2 pictures. One of him hitting you and one of you like dead at his feet. And one of them screaming
Oh,
at you.
one of mine's a duplicate too. Fuck. What is that noise? Where'd you go?
The French president has called on its
And
allies to join forces in
here.
order to combat its greatest threat.
I'm trying to lure him over to these bodies and shit I found. He went through the vent. I hear an alien baby though. There's so much going on in so little time.
Hey man, if you touch me. Oh, I gotta get outside. He's gonna kill me.
I'm on my way out. Uh-oh. You blocked off my path out. Surely. Oh god, we're only at 906. We still need 600 more views.
Oh, there's not a second one over here. What?
That's why it came out. I might have to suck it up and go back in there.
It still is pretty early.
How do you have 2 legs? Didn't he knock your leg off?
I thought so. Dude, why are you still here? Damn. You get over there, dude.
I'm missing my leg now. Want to take a picture of me with my leg? Oh, you're missing your arm, that's why.
Ah! Alright, I'm going into room 2.
I'm going back here. I need to know a specific survivor.
You have survived.
Yeah, he might be able to save my life.
I found the baby.
I need to leave. I am almost dead. Oh my god, that baby just went flying through here. He's headed into room 2, big boy, just so you know.
No, I'm not in there anymore.
Okay, bet. I'm headed outside. Because we're at 1465, and I have 1 leg, so I'm gonna make my way to the plane with my 1 picture I have left and hope something exciting happens again.
I have 4 pictures left.
I think I heard a big boy.
I don't see any.
Oh, here we go. Oh, Thumpa.
Dude, I have.
There we go.
Yeah,
I'm
my
out of
photos suck.
I have 1 more still. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
There you go.
what was that
Or
noise?
try to.
Oh, this is
Another.
gonna be a good shot.
Was that you?
No.
Okay, I just watched a Thumper murder someone and I didn't know if it was you or not. Oh, I made a duplicate. It was a different Thumper though.
So. Not a big one.
I guess not.
Just so that really complicates things. I have 2 photos left, and I really don't want to waste them, but.
We're already at roughly 1589.
Man, there's nice stuff. Ah, what?
What just happened?
He hit me on top of the car.
Oh no. They might have broken a meta.
Oh no. I think I lost a leg. Oh, I lost a leg.
Oh no.
Oh.
I'm at the plane. Or helicopter. Same thing.
He just walked up to me and I'm just like, hey man, how you doing? Can't get me. He could get me. Oh.
Oh yeah, by the way, we're at $2,171 out of $1,500 and we have 10 duplicates, not 4. Oh. Was that a stomp I heard?
No.
Where are you?
I'm near the ship.
Not too far, good. So we still have 2.5 minutes left, roughly. Excuse me.
It's funny, I don't think they're gonna get a big boy.
You can delete the duplicate pictures and get photos back.
What?
I'm not going to delete any others, but yeah, if you go to one of your duplicates and you delete it,
I
you'll
have
get
5
a picture
photos.
back. Now I got 2 pictures to take.
This is risky business here, but
There's a minute left. What the fuck just happened? Oh, thumper.
I think I glitched this car. Oh,
You're about to get attacked by a thumper.
no! Oh, where'd he go?
He's right behind you, bro. Oh, we got 50 seconds.
I'm running for my life.
Watch out for the sewer grate. That's cool, though. We can reclaim pictures.
Why do you have a super smile on your face?
What? Sorry, I'm happy, man. God damn. I'll hold it back next time.
Yeah, exactly.
Only 5 now?
That was the top one. Oh wait, no, that's not the top one.
It says number 5 right next to it. That was the top one. When he was winding up to punch you.
No, that doesn't go well.
Fire.
Damn! Didn't get that out of newspaper.
Fire. Fire. I'm gonna buy myself a new camera. And you know what? I'm gonna buy you one too. I could be stingy and get the 1800. Oh my god, never mind, I can't. Dude, 2,600, 4,100, 5,000, 4,800.
Oh fuck.
$500 for a firework? You're crazy. Alright, looks like we're just going. Because I can't afford any of these cameras.
What happened to the 250 one?
Yeah, I don't. I'm kind of fucking with this update, but I don't know what happened. Maybe it rotates. Like rotating stock.
We got this.
I totally took the picture. Louis Street. Oh no, what the fuck? I think I see a green eyes in here.
Ooh.
Oh god, and a blue eyes.
Oh yeah, that's the green eyes.
I got a picture of Obelisk the Tormentor. Don't worry, I got some. Ow! I got some really good pictures.
I have to leave. I have 2 health.
No way.
I have literally 2 health, and I have taken 2 photos. This is bad.
Don't, no, don't let it happen. Oh no!
Oh, I got you 1 solid photo.
I'm jerking off in that picture.
I just heard you say no, don't let that happen. And I turned over and I saw him running at me and not you. And I was like, oh god, no.
Yeah, it was not good. So now we gotta bank on some good things happening outside. What is this? Necromancer? Bro, that's a big boy. That's a fatty. And he's walking like he's in charge. Where's he going? I'm gonna be safe over here. How much money do? Oh my god. Large in charge. That's quite the fucking walk.
Get close and sniff his bum crack.
You know, I'm curious what he does. Good. Wow.
Oh, he spawned something.
Oh wow. What are those?
Oh, they're fast, Mark. They're coming on your ass, dude. You better get on the car. Oh, what is it? Ooh, what? Are they gone? I think they're gone.
What the fuck just happened? Uh oh.
There's
I'm gonna
2
get a
of
closer
them.
picture.
Oh yeah, that's.
Oh my god, there's so many aliens in one picture.
Oh, get a photo of what happens here.
They didn't make it.
No! That lucky son of a bitch.
Well, I have 14 duplicates. There's no way I'm finishing this. So.
Oh. Run, Mark, run! You can get out of there!
I don't have enough views though. I need $600 more dollars. I can't get any more good pictures. Everything's a duplicate. And my game's starting to lag like crazy. Something bad's happening. What is happening? My game is lagging like crazy. Do you see this too?
Did that guy just die?
had so much health for some reason.
That was rough.
We failed. Try it again. Alright. You know, I have an idea. Give me a second. There's a trampoline here.
What?
Yeah. Good old trampoline. I'm gonna buy it. I also bought myself a camera because there was a cheaper camera. So the stock does rotate in the shop. Excuse me. Whoa! Okay, so the trampoline's sick, but it's a one-time use.
Run! Run! Oh God, they're
They
everywhere!
launched me so high in the sky.
Do you think beavers like eating cornbread? I don't know. Saying
I found a dead press member with a backpack, so now I have 2 more inventories. It's big. There's a rat in here. Don't take a picture of it, because I just took a picture of it. It will be a duplicate.
a rat, a rat, a rat, a rat, a rat.
I got me a backpack.
Back,
Free
back,
99.
back, back,
Dead body.
back, back, back.
Dear customers, don't miss out on our big promotion on mattresses. Whether you like your bed firm or comfy, we've got it covered.
Are you still streaming?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ow!
Uh-oh, it's green eyes.
Why? Were you gonna say
Ah, the
something?
rat! Maybe. Green eyes is coming.
Ooh, that's a
Don't
good
stop
photo.
running, he's right behind you.
Oh, fuck off, rat.
Oh. Prisoner's dead. That didn't work. I hear a landmine. Where's the landmine?
Over in this room.
Try to lead him to the landmine. If you can. Then we'll get rid of him. Just be careful of blast radius. Yes! Alright, that gets rid of him.
Oh, did you get a photo of that?
I did.
I did too. That's not a duplicate. Oh.
Beautiful.
None of my photos are duplicates yet. That's amazing.
I got it just as it was about to happen. You might have gotten it as it happened.
Oh, I got it right at the end of it happening. That's why. Where did this guy come from?
Oh, that's the guy I took the backpack from. Ow! Fucking rats. I have 23 health. I need to get out of here. That rat's nearly killed me.
We had our shot. We blew it.
Alright, good luck, sir. Watch your health.
Mark, there's voices in here. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, I had to leave.
I'm not comfortable while me still. I'll say that much. Alright.
We're just standing on a car. There is a thumbnail around this picture. I don't know where he went.
Oh, you gotta press E to get on the ladder now.
I'm kind of for that.
Don't you do it. I know what you were trying to do, but it's not gonna work out, man. I don't think you're fast enough for this.
I might be.
I
You ready for this sweet action shot?
Wait, what's up? Oh, big boy.
Still need like $1,100.
I'll go down there.
Go. I forgot. I wasn't even fully on it.
Are you?
And then I panicked and I jumped because it broke, and that's what killed me. Is panicking.
Where's? Oh, you're dead.
Yeah, because I panicked. Got a backpack.
I'm
The
stuck.
camera. That on me. I can't believe I've done this.
Pick up your camera. Pick up your backpack. Pick up your flashlight.
Well, now it's in your hands. Oh, what was that? Oh, it's a phone break. Oh, big boy, big boy, big boy, big boy.
Oh,
No way.
that barely hit me. Are you fucking?
No way.